Hello everyone. Good morning from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have amazing, beautiful, warm, lovely Saturday morning here. This video is about the weather. Goodbye, goodbye. He's asking for some food. (10:30), sweet 22 degrees, expecting 25.6 today, and the temperature of the ocean is 22.4. People are coming slowly. Now we can see the beauty. Sounds like big waves. Wow. See, even if the flag is red, they allow you to swim here, and it's amazing. Lots of bubbles. We have another pincher here. Ciao. Another girlfriend, Luna. She's so beautiful. Chuche. Chuche, sí. Gracias.
Mira, también tiene la cabeza. Yo le noto a ella la cabeza caliente. Y esta
So have a beautiful Saturday. All the best. Best wishes from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.